Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to fix a LinkedIn notification not showing on Android. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first here, of course you just have to make sure that your phone is already connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or data cellular or mobile data. And after, just go ahead to the LinkedIn application on your phone. And now, if you want to fix the LinkedIn notifications, firstly, you just have to check and reset your notification setting within the app by going to the setting. Here, I'm going to open my profile icon first at the top left. And now, at the bottom, we'll see the settings. Just go ahead. And after in the settings page, we'll be find here the notifications options. You just have to tap on it, guys. And then you just have to choose the specific notification that not showing on your phone. And for example, here for the search for a job on my phone is off, yeah guys. So if you want to showing it for the notification, you just have to tap on the toggle beside it. And after, we can choose many specific notifications again. You just have to scroll it down here at the bottom. And if that doesn't work, you just have to check your device system settings to ensure notifications are enabled for the LinkedIn app. Here I'm gonna open my settings first on my phone like this, and after I'm gonna scroll it down until we'll find here the option apps. And now here I'm gonna open my app management, the first option, and we'll find here the LinkedIn application. I'm gonna scroll it down again, and this is what I mean. Here I'm gonna open my manage notifications. You just have to make sure that the toggle beside allow notification is on, here guys, on the LinkedIn applications. And if there's still not working, you just have to clear the app page. For the clear it, you just have to go back to the LinkedIn info, and after here we'll find the storage usage. You just have to tap on it, and now on this page you just have to clear cache first. And after, if you have to clear the cache, you just have to force quit first. Tap on this force stop and restart the application, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.